Hey there! Welcome to Plaiwoo, and today I'll show you how to install Häfele drawer slides quickly and professionally. Let's get to it. Before we start, make sure you've got your drill, screws, tape measure, level, and of course your Häfele drawer slides ready to go. Mark the exact height where the side slides will go. Use a level to make sure everything is perfectly horizontal. Screw in the cabinet side slides. Do the same on the other side and make sure both are properly aligned. Now, screw the second part of the slides onto the drawer itself, keeping the same height on both sides. Slide the drawer back in gently, and that's it. Häfele slides offer a smooth, quiet, professional glide. Quick tip: use flathead screws to avoid interference with the sliding mechanism. Always double-check your measurements before drilling. Found this helpful? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips like this. And remember, everything you need is at plaiwoo.com. See you in the next project.